To all the planners out there that make sure that everybody else has their Disney outfits, all the accessories and everything that they need to look their Disney best, but you leave yourself to the absolute last minute and you don't always feel like you are your Disney best self when it's time for your trip, this video is for you. I'm going to take you through everyday outfits and then put Disney touches on them so you feel like that you have a Disney outfit ready for your trip. And then I'm also at the end of the video going to take you through how I pack it all up, give you a few tips and tricks along the way. You ready? Let's go. In the beginning, whenever it is time to start planning a Disney vacation, I always have great ideas about what I want my outfits to be, how fabulous I'm going to look, and then life gets in the way. Something comes up and then my wardrobe budget goes out the window. So I would have trips where I would already not even get there yet and already start feeling like I wasn't prepared because I didn't have the things that I wanted to look cute in all the videos, like you see everybody else. So we're going to take everyday outfits that I am taking out of my wardrobe and I am going to show you how I put Disney touches on them, small Disney touches, and these are things that you can get at like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Burlington, Walmart, Target, all of those things that you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on and just add those little itty bitty touches so you feel like that you are ready for your Disney trip because hey, this is your Disney trip too. With every single Disney trip that I take, it is getting to the point to where I am gravitating more towards like my normal things that I wear at home to be in the parks with me. It just makes me more comfortable. It's a lot more enjoyable and it's also practical as well. These are the exact base outfits that I will be wearing on my trip. And so now we are going to Disney-fy them up step by step. One of the easiest ways to add Disney touches are just basic things like pins, like Disney pins. If you have Disney pins from a last trip. Now I am a thrifter and I love to find like just those little itty bitty things that people no longer use from their past trips and I collect those all the time. So I always have little trinkets, if you will, to put on like plain bags. So to give you an example, I'm kind of, if you would look at this outfit, this is kind of like a Pluto bound with the color and I happen to have a Pluto vintage pin that I'm just going to put on this green bag. And voila, I have a cute little bound right here with Pluto as the, when you see his picture, then you can see that the outfit comes all together, just having that little itty bitty pin, just that little character on there, and it pulls everything together. Next thing that can make a huge impact is a hat. It is amazing how much one simple piece can just bring an entire outfit together. I am also very hyper aware of what the weather is going to be like, and 9 times out of 10 my hair is up because it's hot. Having a hat is practical, keeps the sun off your face, no sunburn, no headache, and then your hair can be up as well. And just having that Disney touch on there also can just bring the outfit together. Now, my favorite places to get Disney hats is you can really find them like Disney park hats. You can find those at Burlington. I do also like to get on Poshmark, and I do actually have an entire Disney Poshmark closet, and I'll leave that linked in the description box below. So like as I find things, I put them in my closet for somebody else to love, enjoy, and just add that little detail to your Disney outfit. It can also be as simple as adding a hair clip. Now I found these as a set together sold at Marshall's, and these are actually bobble bar hair clips. And they can act as two things actually. So number one, you can just put it on there just for that little itty bitty Disney touch. And we're gonna keep layering on accessories as you see this outfit come together. But I just wanna show you like the little itty bitty things that compound onto each other. And then of course it'll be double duty. If your hair happens to be down, you can always clip it back if you need to. And then also you can add like little chains, little key chains. This is another bobble bar accessory. This one I found actually at TJ Maxx, and he can just be on there and just hang, and just going from black and white basic pieces to now just adding that Mickey just makes all the difference. We also know that Disney ears is just another big popular way to add those Disney touches to an outfit. So we'll just put these on real quick. Again, you can find Disney Park merchandise like Disney Park ears at Burlington, but you can also check like Marshall's and Ross, and you'll find other Mickey Mouse ears that are not as heavy and don't hurt as much, like behind the ears. Now, I'm not always an ear wearer. I can do them like every once in a while, but I'm not a die-hard ear person when it comes to like being in the parks all the time. But it is a really cute way of just adding that Disney touch to your outfit. So we're going to take this one and then compound the next thing on top of it so that you can see how the outfit is coming together. Another big thing and easy thing to add is socks. Socks you can find easily at Target. You can find them at TJ Maxx, Burlington, Marshall's, any place like that. And let's just get these on real quick. So as you can see, it is coming together. So I have Minnie Mouse ears, Minnie Mouse socks. Let's go ahead and just add a normal bag, just because not everybody's going to have a Disney bag. Put on a Minnie Mouse thing. Now you can see that just ears, this accessory, and that are just pulling everything together, and you can see Minnie Mouse coming alive. So now we're going to take this plain outfit and we're going to build on top of it with all the little accessories and kind of go to the extreme just to show you how you can just make one plain thing turn into a Donald Duck bound. So number one, I have my Donald socks on. So you can already tell that the colors are pulling from that. And when you see the socks, you can tell that it's a Donald bound. Next thing are going to be earrings. Now you can be as extreme as you want. These are the Bauble Bar and Disney collab ones, and I did find these at TJ Maxx. I have also seen them at Marshall's, but this is just another great way to have earrings on with an outfit also can really make a big difference and a pop, bringing the outfit together. And then the last thing that is really extreme is going to be a bag, a Disney bag. Now I found this one thrifting actually, but now you can just tell that the socks, the earrings, and the bag, everything comes together as a Donald Duck lookalike, or aka Disney bound. Now if you ever look at like social media and influencers, whenever you see their outfits and how cute they are, you can tell that the focal point of the picture is the bag. It is usually a Loungefly bag. Me personally, I am not a Loungefly fan. Mainly it's just not practical for me, and I like to have a bigger backpack and that kind of thing. So for me, Disney touches come in other ways, like the accessories, but this was just too cute for me to pass up, and it's big enough to hold everything that I need. So I've shown you all of the different things that you can layer onto an outfit to make an outfit come together, a basic outfit that is, all the things that you can just go out to Target, Walmart, Marshall's, Burlington, all those places that are around in your area so that you feel like that you have a Disney-fied outfit. But I've only kind of shown you like different pieces of the outfit, so now I'm going to take you through the monologue of all the outfits that I am actually wearing, all the accessories that I am actually wearing with the outfits, and then after that we'll go into packing it all up. actually packing everything up, I do have these Bag Smart compression packing cubes. This is one of the best purchases I think I have made for me to travel as much as I do. I do normally try to just use 3 of them, one for tops, one for bottoms, and then also one for socks, underwear, bras, stuff like that. Since I do have one packing cube left over, I will put in my hats and my ears in there just so that they stay confined into one area and they don't get messed up. And since I am just bringing the most basic and simple jewelry with me, which is just earrings, normally I would just grab a pill organizer, and if my earrings are small enough, and they happen to be for this trip, I would just put the earrings in the pill organizer and just keeps everything separated so it doesn't get messed up and in one place. And just like that, I did end up consolidating everything to one big suitcase. And it's not even that heavy. I can lift it easy, like not straining. So that tells me that I am good with the weight limit. Oh, whew, I'm so excited. I'm so ready to go. I hope this helped give you some ideas in putting some last minute Disney outfits together for all of you planners that make sure that everybody else is taken care of. Now, if you're interested, also go check out my Disney travel prep video, and that is going to take you into everything besides outfits that I pack and take with me on that trips, and I will leave that linked right here for you. My name is Terry with Creating the Magic. Have a magical day.